Welcome, global explorers and digital nomads. Today, we're delving into the Minimalist Traveler's Guide to Globetrotting. Join us as we journey through 10 destinations that embody the spirit of adventure and the digital nomad lifestyle. Discover how to travel light, live efficiently, and embrace the beauty of simplicity in some of the world's most inspiring locales. But before we get started, subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications so you can keep up to date with all our latest destinations. Number 10. Chiang Mai, Thailand. Chiang Mai, a haven in the hills of northern Thailand, offers a blend of tranquility and vibrant culture. It's a hotspot for digital nomads thanks to its affordable living, welcoming community, and serene environment. Explore the historic old city where ancient temples meet modern cafes and co-working spaces. Enjoy the local cuisine at bustling street markets, offering delicious and budget-friendly options. Connect with fellow travelers at community events and workshops tailored for digital nomads. Relax in serene nature spots just outside the city, like the Doi Suthep Pui National Park. Take advantage of Chiang Mai's affordable yet high-quality accommodations and services, ideal for the minimalist traveler. Number 9. Bali, Indonesia. Bali, the island of the gods, is a tropical paradise that has become a mecca for digital nomads. With its stunning landscapes and spiritual ambiance, it's perfect for those seeking a balance of work and wellness. Work from trendy cafes or beachside co-working spaces, staying connected in an idyllic setting. Embrace the wellness culture with yoga classes, meditation retreats, and health-conscious eateries. Explore Bali's rich cultural heritage in Ubud, known for its art, dance, and traditional crafts. Enjoy the island's natural beauty, from lush rice terraces to pristine beaches. Join the vibrant digital nomad community, attending meetups and networking events. Number 8. Lisbon, Portugal. Lisbon, a city where traditional charm meets a buzzing digital scene, is a hotspot for creative minds. Its picturesque streets, friendly locals, and mild climate make it an ideal base for minimalist travelers. Work from charming cafes or innovative co-working spaces amidst Lisbon's historic architecture. Indulge in the local cuisine, savoring dishes like pastéis de nata without breaking the bank. Enjoy Lisbon's lively nightlife and music scene, offering entertainment on a budget. Discover the city's rich history and culture, visiting landmarks like the Belém Tower and Geronimo's Monastery. Benefit from Lisbon's affordable living costs, making it a great option for long-term stays. Number 7. Berlin, Germany. Berlin, known for its eclectic culture and history, is a haven for artists and entrepreneurs. This vibrant city caters to a minimalist lifestyle with its efficient living spaces and abundant co-working options. Work in some of Europe's coolest co-working spaces, surrounded by a community of innovators. Immerse yourself in Berlin's rich history, visiting iconic sites like the Berlin Wall and Brandenburg Gate. Enjoy the city's diverse food scene, offering affordable and international cuisine. Engage in Berlin's renowned arts and music culture, often accessible for free or at a low cost. Take advantage of the city's efficient public transportation to explore diverse neighborhoods. Number 6. Medellín, Colombia. Medellín, once known for its turbulent past, has transformed into a vibrant and safe city. Its pleasant climate and friendly locals make it a favorite among digital nomads seeking an affordable urban experience. Work from trendy cafes or join one of the many co-working communities in the city. Experience the local culture by exploring Medellín's colorful neighborhoods and public art. Savor Colombian cuisine and coffee without stretching your budget. Participate in local language exchanges or digital nomad meetups for networking. Discover the city's transformation through innovative projects and community initiatives. Number 5. Ho Chi Minh City, Vietnam. Ho Chi Minh City, a bustling metropolis, is rapidly becoming a go-to spot for digital nomads. Known for its dynamic atmosphere and affordable living, it's a city where tradition meets modernity. Find your work groove in one of the city's numerous co-working spaces or cafes. Indulge in Vietnamese cuisine, known for its flavors and affordability. Navigate the city's lively streets, exploring markets and historic sites like the War Remnants Museum. Connect with a growing community of expats and digital nomads. Enjoy the low cost of living, allowing for a comfortable lifestyle on a minimalist budget. Number 4. Tallinn, Estonia. Tallinn, Estonia's digital-forward capital, is a hidden gem for tech-savvy travelers. Its medieval charm, combined with advanced digital infrastructure, makes it an attractive spot for remote workers. Work from cozy cafes or state-of-the-art co-working spaces in the heart of the old town. Explore Tallinn's historic center, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, without spending a fortune. Experience Estonia's innovative e-residency program, designed for digital entrepreneurs. Enjoy the blend of history and modernity, from medieval architecture to cutting-edge technology. Join the city's international community, participating in tech meetups and cultural events. Number 3. Budapest, Hungary. Budapest, with its stunning architecture and vibrant urban life, offers an ideal environment for digital nomads. Its affordable living and rich cultural scene make it a favorite for travelers on a budget. Work from historic coffee houses or modern co-working spaces overlooking the Danube. Discover Budapest's architectural wonders, from the Parliament building to the Fisherman's Bastion. Enjoy the city's lively nightlife and diverse culinary scene, fitting for any budget. Participate in community events and meetups, connecting with fellow travelers and locals. Soak in the city's famous thermal baths, a perfect way to relax after a day's work. Number 2. Canggu, Bali, Indonesia. Canggu, a coastal village in Bali, has emerged as a hotspot for digital nomads. Known for its laid-back vibe, surf culture, and co-working spaces, it's a perfect blend of work and play. Set up your office in beachfront cafes or collaborative co-working spots. Embrace the surf and yoga lifestyle, keeping fit and relaxed on a budget. Explore Canggu's vibrant street art and cafe culture, offering endless inspiration. Connect with a diverse community of entrepreneurs, creatives, and expats. Experience Bali's cultural richness, from temple ceremonies to traditional dances. Number 1. Prague, Czech Republic. Prague, the city of 100 spires, tops our list with its stunning beauty, rich history, and affordable lifestyle. It's a dream destination for digital nomads who seek a blend of inspiration and efficiency. Work from historic cafes or modern co-working spaces, surrounded by Gothic and Baroque architecture. Savor Czech cuisine and world-famous beers without overspending. Walk along the picturesque Charles Bridge or explore Prague Castle, immersing in the city's magical ambiance. Enjoy Prague's lively arts and music scene, offering plenty of free or inexpensive entertainment. Benefit from the city's affordable public transport and central location in Europe, ideal for weekend trips. Our journey across the globe reveals that minimalist travel and the digital nomad lifestyle are not just about places. They're about experiences, connections, and the freedom to explore. From Chiang Mai to Prague, each destination offers a unique opportunity to live, work, and thrive. Embrace the journey, for every corner of the world has a story waiting for you. If you want a specific destination, please write it down in the comments below, and the country with the most comments will be our next video. Don't forget to check out our newest channel, Relax in Travel, to bring some peace and nature into your life. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Have a good day.